Now student, in this lecture we can learn about the placement of plumbing fixture. So first of all we can select this system tab from system tab, and from system tab we will select this in plumbing and piping panel, and here you see this is plumbing fixture. So from here you can go to load option, and here you see this is a type of bathtub. So we can simply there are different type of bathtub. You can also select this bathtub. Let's suppose I can select Whirlpool. So you see this bathtub was imported in Revit. So from space tab you can move from space button in your keyboard, you can rotate this and then place it. So simply select this bathtub, and as you see this bathtub size is very large, so we go here in edit option, and you see these are different type of bath, 72 and this size. So I want to change the size of bathtub, this in 5 feet, and here I want to change the size of this in 2.5 foot. So apply this. Here you see the size of bathtub changed, and then select OK option, and then from similar to space tab you can place this bathtub anywhere you want in washroom. So here you see I can place this bathtub. Similarly we can place this bathtub in each washroom. So this is also a washroom. Place one bathtub here. Similarly place one bathtub here, and this is also you can place bathtub here, and now again place washroom here, place bathtub here. So in all washroom we can place first step we can place bathtubs, and now in next step I can select again from plumbing fixture and load family, and then select these fixtures again, and from this water closets, here you see these are different type of water closets. So this is water closet with flush tank. This is floor mounted water closet, and here this is wall mounted, and this is without flush tank. So I can, and this is this type of, so we can select this type of washroom, and now I can place this here. Now just from here I can select this and then copy this, and now place this in each washroom here. If you want to copy and place at multiple places, then select this multiple option, then you can easily place at different, we can select this again, copy, select multiple, and from here you can click where you want to place. And similarly I can place this at this point. So here you see we can place washroom water closets, and this is in first floor, but in second floor we cannot place. So here is a just command through which first of all select this water closet, then select all visible in entire project. So here you see all of all of bathtubs are selected. And after selecting this, then this is a copy a clipboard to clipboard. Select this option and then from here paste align click here on paste option and then select align the selected to selected levels and then select this level 2 and you can select this level 2, then click OK. And now in here you see all of bathtubs are placed. Similarly again I can click on this water closet and then select here select all instance in entire project. Similarly copy this and then align to level 2. So here in 3D view you see we place all fixture in level 1 in you can say this level 1 and level 2 we name them. So I want to change the name of this level 1 like this, so rename, select rename, then select copy from here, click on this level, paste. Similarly if I want to change the name of this, copy this option and paste this. So names of all levels are changed. So here you see we can place all fixture. If we want to see our fixtures in realistic way, then select this realistic. So you see these are in these fixtures.